Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. What you're looking at right now is me using the power of AI to create a SEO page title and a meta description for my website here. So if you want to learn how to do this just like me, continue watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So here I am using Rocket Web Builder to create my client's website. And with every good website, it needs to have a proper title for each page. It needs to have a meta description. Sometimes not only could be annoying to write, but honestly, it could be a lot of work. And if you're not creative like me, it could be, somewhat hard. So why not let the AI handle it for us? So I'll show you how this works. So over here, when I click the pages, I have a bunch of pages on this website. And a lot of it is actually course-related content for the customers or the clients of my client. And essentially, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here to this button that says settings, and each page has this. On pages that are going to be more private, I don't really need to do this too often, but on regular pages that are public, I'm going to do this. So I'll hit settings and I'll hit show settings. Then what I'm going to have is this box that pops up that I'm moving around here. This box is the page information. So part of the page information is the SEO information. Then here we have the page information. Page name refers to what it is in reference to me. So this is my home page, so I just called it home. All right, and that's not something that's public. Also, the page URL is important as well, which is where the URL handle goes, but this is actually a home page, so I don't need to worry about the URL. The URL doesn't matter. It's just solely the domain.com, so there's nothing after that. So this doesn't matter as well, but on any other page, it would matter. In this case, I have here a section where is the SEO info. This is where the actual copywriting is going to go down. So the book here for my client is called Embrace Stoicism, and that's the name of the book. So I had here Embrace Stoicism, and then I said to myself, why would I sit here and try to come up with something creative to write? Why don't I just let the AI handle it for me? So I did exactly that. I went over here, I wrote Embrace Stoicism, right? Just like this, and then I went over here, and I clicked on this brain and I hit expand. And that's all I did. And there you go. It went ahead and expanded something for me. Now, me personally, I'm not going to have this because I didn't even read it. I'm very happy with what I had before, which I will just go ahead and copy and paste it here, which is Stoicism, which is what the AI first provided to me. Let me go ahead and fix this. Stoicism. Okay. Embrace Stoicism. This is what I had before. So I'm happy with it. It actually gave me a little more text, but I cut it down. The next thing is the meta description. So the meta description is responsible for the partially responsible for your click-through rate. Not solely responsible, but partially responsible. And click-through rate just means when somebody on Google sees your, let me go ahead and pull up a link here, sees your, let's actually do it here, sees your website on Google, then there's a chance that they might click. So what does that look like? So for example, if I type in the word basketball, okay, here we have the title, and then here we have the meta description. And sometimes, depending on the meta description, people do click, and Google has actually told us that when people click on the meta description, it does change the outcome of the, when the meta description, is optimized, it does change the outcome of the click-through rates. All right. So both of these things are important, your page title and your meta description. So I did the same thing. I used the power of AI to write me a meta description. I did the exact same thing here. And the way I did this was I'll just copy this right here. I'll click X and copy this, and I'm going to hit generate text. And I went over here and I described to the AI what I want in my meta description. So I said, write me a meta description for the website where I am selling a ebook called Embrace Stoicism. Just like that. All right. And let's go ahead and fix the grammar here so that the AI fully understands, and we'll hit submit, and it will write that for us. And you can see it doesn't actually take a lot of time for it to populate an answer. And a lot of the times the text is a lot of text. Sometimes you might have to cut it down. But here It says here, looking to cultivate inner strength and clarify your life? Embrace Stoicism, the powerful philosophy that has stood the test of time. Our comprehensive ebook offers an in-depth exploration of Stoic principles and how to incorporate them in your daily routine. With practical guidance and inspiring insights, you will gain the tools you need to overcome challenges, reduce stress, and live a more meaningful life. Discover the transformation power of Stoicism today and start embracing a more fulfilling existence. Get your copy now. So that is an example of a meta description. Now, Rocket Web Builder is informing me that this meta description is a little too long, and that's why it's red. So I'm just going to go over here and just copy and paste the one that I had earlier, which is something that the AI wrote. I just cut it down a little bit because it was a little longer. And that's it. And that's how you create your page title and your meta description for your website via AI. It's pretty awesome. So I went ahead and saved my work, and now when this gets picked up by Google, this section here, which is your page title and your meta description, is what's going to show up in Google. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was informative. Hopefully it helps, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.